All right, welcome back to Tech for Teens, Data Science, Introduction to Data Science. Today we'll be learning about data. We'll learn how to collect data, clean and explore data, all the juicy facts computer use to make decisions. All right, so what is data science? Data science is the act of turning information into answer. Imagine you want to know which food sells best in the market. Data science help you find that out fast. Right. So data science transforms information into valuable insights by combining statistical analysis to find patterns, programming languages, like programming skills to process large data sets, domain knowledge to ask the right questions. It's like being a detective, collecting clues, analyzing evidence, and solving mysteries hidden in data. Right. So we have different types of data. Right. They are structured and unstructured data. Structured data are data stored in rows and columns. Example of structured data are spreadsheets, Excels, CSV files, database, SQL. Example of all this is your exam scores. Some of them are stored in the PDF format, right? So you see them in rows and columns. So you see your scores so for each subject, the test scores, exam scores, and the cumulative for all that. Then there are unstructured data. There is no predefined format for this. You have text messages, social posts, social posts as in social media posts, images, videos, and audios. Examples are your Instagram captions, your for you page, your feed. Yeah. Right. So how do we collect data? We collect data through surveys forms. So many of you registered for this program using Google Forms because that's what we use to collect your registration data. Right. So we created Google Forms to collect your responses and use it to know which courses you want to learn and what you want to gain from the course itself. So right. So then you can also use sensors and IoT. Most of you have smartwatches, right? So your wristwatch tracks your steps and monitors your heart rate. So they create health data. Then you have web scraping. So this automatically you collect product prices from shopping websites to find the best deals. Then you have APIs. API accesses your Spotify data to analyze your music listening pattern or to get weather data for your city. That's how you see what weather is going to be like today, what temperature is going to be today, when it's going to rain, if it's going to rain, basically all that. Right. So why clean your data? Right. So why are you meant to clean your data? Why does it matter? So real world data is messy actually. Uh we clean them because we're trying to avoid missing values, wrong formats, duplicates, and outliers. So for your missing values, you have empty cells, any entries. Wrong format, you have data stored in a text format. Then for duplicates, you have some informations that are recorded more than twice or more than once actually. And for outliers, you have values that are actually extremely different from others. So clean data equals better insights. Right. So for pandas, what is pandas? Your data science toolkit. Pandas is a Python library that makes working with data tables easy and powerful. So we load the data, we explore the data, and we clean the data. Right. So for exploratory data analysis, so that's EDA. EDA helps us understand what our data is telling us before jumping to conclusions. Think of EDA as putting on a detective glasses that reviews hidden patterns in your data. So the key questions to ask are what is the typical value? Is it mean, median, mode? How spread out is the data? Like is the range, the standard deviation, and are there unusual values, outliers? How different how are different variables related? What's the correlation between the text, is a string a boolean, integers and floats, things like that. Alright, so we're moving to visualizing data with Matplotlib. Right, so Matplotlib is also a library that helps you tell stories in picture format, right? So a picture is worth 1,000 data points. And a picture goes a long way and it also tells a lot of stories. So Matplotlib helps create informative charts, right? So we have bar charts, line charts, and pie charts, histograms, scatter plots, so many more. Right. So for now we'll be learning bar charts, line charts, and pie charts. So for these are perfect for comparing categories like subjects or student performance, and that's for bar charts. For line charts, that is great for showing the changes over time, or trends actually. So the way dollar rises or decreases in naira. We check the trends. If it's high today, if it's low tomorrow, the time is high, and all that. You see the bumps and all that. So for pie chart just tells the whole story, like how you spent your day. Who scored the best in this, male or female, who did this,